Hello friends, now I get to alarm panel with the cover shield for the keypads, and you can see here they are, and you can see the difference on the panel. And here there are two mark and there are three mark, and also the icon here, telephone and message, and but this one no. And also here there are two icon arm and set, and here singular set arm. So there are little difference on the panel, and this one supports GSM and PSTN network, and you can see here we can insert the SIM card, and here we can insert the telephone line. And there are two ports, and one to input and one is output. You can see. You can just insert the line. Here you can see I just insert the telephone line on the back of this one, and you can see and so this one supports the dual network, and also you can connect with a wire sensor, but this one we cannot. This one only supports the SIM card, GSM network, and no PSTN function. You can see the hole is empty, no port for the telephone line. Empty. Can't insert. Okay, thanks for watching.